Hey, what's up guys, I am Tick and you're watching Tic Tac. Today we talk about 5 cool gadgets that blow your mind. As usual, all the links to the products you will find in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Meet the Microblade Pill, a titanium tool that can use as a blade to cut through paper, remove stickers, strip wires and cut strings. It is an incredibly small knife designed for discreet everyday carry. Despite its small size, the grade 5 titanium blade can come in handy in all kinds of situations, and the easy clip carry lets you quickly hook and unhook when you're on the go. It can easily fit in your pocket or be carried with your keys. I think you must purchase this gadget. Clean your toilet with the Giddel toilet cleaning robot. This portable cleaning robot comes with a water-resistant capability and is able to clean toilet without dirtying itself. It is easy to install. Simply connect Giddel into its base on your toilet and push start when it's time to clean. The robot scrubs everything from the rim to the bowl and the underneath the rim by moving in a circle and waving pattern. I think it is a great gift for busy persons and seniors. Upgrade your everyday carry with the KeySmart AllTul Raptor multi-tool. It is a 6-in-1 multi-tool keychain that includes a bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, carabiner and steel cutter. Made from stainless steel material, this Raptor shape inspired EDC multi-tool is fit perfectly in your keychain organizer. It's sturdy, lightweight and fits into a wallet or hooks onto a keyring, so it's always there when you need it. Experience transfer speeds of up to 550 megabytes per second with the ECLLPSE high-speed portable SSD. It is a state-of-the-art portable storage device that is designed for those using multiple devices. ECLLPSE offers 2 TB of storage and supports OTG file manager for easy data backup and storage for iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. With this small, lightweight and waterproof drive, you can now backup your devices anywhere and anytime. If you are in the market for a new metal detector, then Grade ACE300 is the right option for you. It has a lightweight and telescopic design, making it easier to handle. The 10-inch detector coil is waterproof, allowing you to search for metal atoms in damp soil, streams, oceans and lakes. With its 5 different detection modes, you can search for everything from silver coins to aluminum scrap and gold. It is powered by 4A batteries, so you don't need to keep specialized batteries on hand. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.